Hey there, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of how to use my Canvas page here for math. Um, as you see, everything you need is on this page. A little flow chart for if you're absent, how to kind of navigate the things you should do. And then our day-to-day is going to look like this each day. It's a Google slide presentation with links to everything we need. So on a normal day, you'll have some sort of warm-up that students did in class, a link to the outline of the presentation, which is very outline. It's not necessarily math notes. And then what you would pair that with is the homework or the practice problems. You can see if I click that, it takes me right to the PDF for the homework that day. And this is pretty key, especially for those that are absent. And it goes with the presentation. Is I take little clips of the video notes every day. So if you click that, it'll take you right to my YouTube video. And it's my voice and the little clips of what we did in class that day this year. It's not an old one. And then there'll also be a key to the homework, which students are expected to grade after completion before they come into school. And any other little announcements on the day-to-day, they'll show up in that same outline. And it's by lesson, and I plan on just probably keeping them all up for the whole year. So if you need to go back a week or something, that is there as well. And also, feel free to email anytime.